Hi, M5705. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, sir, ma'am. Have a great day. My name is Merlin Eliseo, 44 years old. I am a college undergraduate, hotel, restaurant, and management course. I am a single parent with 2 children. My eldest is 20 years old. My youngest is 17 years old.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience being a helper in Saudi Arabia, tell me about your experience as a helper.
As a helper, my duties and responsibilities to do household chores, to maintain household cleanliness,
Okay.
to prepare meals and purchase food from markets.
Okay. And you're also car washing, right?
Yeah,
How many car do you car wash in Saudi?
one.
One only. And you have another experience in China. You are ex-China, right?
Yes.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper in China.
My experience in China, there are 4 members in the family,
Okay.
uh, ages 5 and 3 years old.
And including the couple.
Yes.
Okay, and other household chores that you do?
My main job there is to teach children, to teach English and write English, and
Okay.
then, uh,
You also marketing, right?
yes,
And car washing. How
Car
many car
wash.
do you car wash?
to one car.
One only. And
Yeah.
what kind of pets do you take care?
Dog.
A dog. Okay. Since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, I'm ready to learn.
Okay. If you have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
Wash the hands, wash the bottle, sterilize the bottle, put the amount of milk, put warm water, shake well, and check the temperature, and give to the baby.
If the baby crying, what will you do?
I'll check the temperature, change, give the milk, and change the pampers, diaper.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the temperature, you also feed the baby. You also change the diaper. Maybe the diaper is full. Everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop to cry doesn't work. What will you do?
I'm gonna call to my employer.
And what you will say to your employer?
Mom, the baby doesn't want to stop crying.
Okay, that the baby doesn't stop to cry. Because maybe the parents know what to do to the baby to make it stop to cry, right?
Yes.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong so that I can earn money for my family.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as the employer wants me, I'll stay.
Okay. You have experience for years in China, right?
Yes.
So, do you understand a little bit of Mandarin?
Yeah.
Okay. Why and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
China.
In Hong Kong.
Hong Kong.
How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years and more.
2 years and more.
Yes.
Okay. If there's any instances that there is a person outside of the house of your employer telling that they were a visitor and asked you to go inside of the house and your employer doesn't at home that day, what will you do?
First, I'm gonna call to my employer.
Okay.
If she have or they have expecting visitor.
And if they don't have any expecting visitors that day, what will you do?
I will call to the police.
You will call to the police
Yeah.
because it's too dangerous to entertain people that your employer doesn't know, right?
Yes.
Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food because you are ex-China, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
Steamed fish,
Okay,
vegetables,
okay,
and buns.
okay. Okay, and if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share jobs with a helper.
Yes.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes.
It is okay to you to take care of elderly.
Yeah.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes.
If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, my last question is, What will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, I am hardworking and trustworthy. If you choose me, I will do my best.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Merlin. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am, sir, and have a great day.
Okay, thank you.